Whether you are a seasoned tutor or just starting out, there are certain things you can do to make your teaching more effective. In this video, we'll explore 6 tips that can help you become a better programming tutor. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Tip number 1. Understand your student's background and goals. Before you start teaching, it's important to understand your student's level of experience and what they hope to achieve by learning programming. This will help you tailor your teaching approach and create a curriculum that meets their needs. Tip number 2. Break concepts down into smaller pieces. Programming can be complex, so it's important to break concepts down into smaller, more manageable pieces. By doing this, you can make the learning process easier for your student and help them retain the information better. Tip number 3. Use real-world examples. Whenever possible, use real-world examples to help your students understand how programming concepts are applied in the real world. For example, if you're teaching them how to create a website, you can use examples of websites that you know are successful. This will make the material more relatable and help your students understand why certain concepts are important. Tip number 4. Provide challenging assignments. It's important to challenge your students with assignments that are just beyond their current skill level. As they become more experienced and competent in programming, they will be able to complete more challenging tasks. This will help them grow and develop their skills while also keeping them engaged. Tip number 5. Be flexible. Sometimes, students will have unexpected roadblocks or will need to adjust their schedule. Be flexible and accommodating whenever possible, while also holding your students accountable for their commitments. Tip number 6. Provide positive reinforcement. Programming can be challenging, so it's important to provide positive reinforcement and celebrate your students' successes. This will help keep them motivated and excited about their progress. By following these tips, you can help your students achieve their goals and become successful programmers. Remember, effective communication skills, understanding of your students' needs, and technical expertise are key to being a successful programming tutor. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.